Kenyans are generally funny because what you come to realize, sometimes a client calls you on site, and the first thing, they tell you, kindly drill this point. And you ask them, why should we drill that particular point? And they're like, yes, you just drill this point and drill it this number of meters. I know when you get to that point, you'll get water. So if you fall for that and you start drilling, you realize that sometimes you get to that particular point that they specified and the depth they specified, and there is no water. And it becomes a disappointment. Someone will say, no, I can't just pay now because now it's not working. Things aren't working as I thought. And remember, as a company, you mobilize on site, you have staff and things like that. And now, there is no back and forth kind of with the client to find, not in order, not for for the client not to find himself at a very bad position, and even for the drilling company also to be safe at the same time. We don't want disappointment on any of the sides. It's normally proper that hydrogeological survey is conducted. So someone may ask, what is hydrological survey? Hydrogeological survey is basically, is is basically coming to site with water detectors, to come and figure out, if that particular point or the ground characteristics in terms of, is the aquifer there, what is the geological formation in that particular site, what depth should be drilled, and what is the proper point to actually drill, what's the best point to actually drill. So when that is determined, and that is normally done by hydrogeologists, not just anybody who comes on site, it's done specifically by hydrogeologists, that that is their main area. So after they have identified the point to drill and they have all the technical information they have collected, they will now write for you what we call hydrogeological survey report. And that is the report that you normally issue to authorities such as Water Resources Authority, to be issued with a permit, a drilling permit. So you don't just start drilling before you are able to figure out how far are you drilling, how many meters are you going down, and what is the point that you are going to drill, and basically what are you going to encounter in terms of formation, and also what are some of the challenges you might encounter, what you need to prepare for, because all these things should be enshrined in the survey report. And that makes a difference between a project that has undergone hydrogeological survey and a project that has not gone through hydrogeological survey. Because when a project goes through hydrogeological survey, it prepares the client and also helps the client budget. At the same time, it prepares the driller to know what are they going to encounter and how to prepare for that particular project and the challenges that comes with it. And that is the way to go when it comes to figuring out the nature of your site and what and how to drill.